Meet the Vaer G5 Pacific Steel 39mm USA GMT, a watch built for real travelers with classic looks, modern specs, and an honest price tag. Vaer is an American watch brand founded in 2016. Their mission? Accessible yet refined watches for every occasion. It's a common promise, but Vaer delivers with thoughtful design and real substance, and the G5 Pacific Steel GMT is proof. At 39mm across and just over 13mm thick, the 316L stainless steel case hits the sweet spot for most wrists. It ships with a 20mm black FKM waffle strap with quick-release pins, but you can also pick leather, NATO, or steel bracelets, and straps swap easily across Vaer's whole collection. With 200 meters of water resistance and a screw-down crown, you can take it diving. The bi-directional 120-click bezel has a black 24-hour scale inspired by vintage Rolex Explorer 2 models, but with Vaer's own twist. A box sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating tops it off, and an exhibition case back reveals the movement inside. The matte black dial takes cues from 1950s military and early GMT watches, but stays original. Trapezoid indices with old radium superluminova, a framed date at 6 o'clock, and a bold orange GMT hand for home time. Inside is the Miyota 9075 True GMT Automatic. That means you set the local hour hand independently, perfect for travelers. It beats at 28,800 vibrations per hour, has a 42-hour power reserve, and is assembled and regulated in the USA for an impressive -5 plus 15 seconds per day accuracy. All this starts at $935 on a rubber or NATO strap, $1,025 on the Oyster-style bracelet, and tops out at $1,085 for the Jubilee. For a well-regulated true GMT with 200 meters of water resistance, that's outstanding value. The Vaer G5 Pacific Steel 39mm USA GMT combines vintage charm, modern reliability, and true traveler functionality without the luxury brand markup. A serious companion for your next adventure.